Danielle, and I'm the VP of Options at Simpler Trading. Today, we're talking about butterflies. A butterfly is an option strategy that's a little bit complex in nature, but it's my absolute favorite strategy, and I'm here to tell you why. Butterflies are a multi-leg option strategy, so they're going to be a little bit different than a call debit spread because you're going to be adding an extra leg. But the reason why we do this is because of the risk reward, all right? When you're trying to grow a small account, like I've done many times, the best thing to do is to minimize your risk and maximize your reward. And really the only way to do that in the options market is by learning how to use butterflies. When you're using a butterfly strategy, typically you can risk 1 to make about 4. Now, on average, 1 to 4, you're not going to get 4 every single time, but you don't have to. You can risk 1 to make 4 and you can make 50%, 100%, 150%, and that is how you grow your account over time. When you're using, for example, a call debit spread, you're normally risking about 1 to make 2. And getting the max profit is going to be, it will happen sometimes, but it's not something you're going to do on every trade. So on average, let's say if you're risking 1 to make 2, let's say you risk 1 and then you make 50% or 60%. So the reason why using butterflies is so beneficial is because when you are working on growing an account, you have to have a beneficial risk reward. Now, the other thing that you need to have if you're using butterflies is you're going to have to be able to identify a time frame and identify a target. These are things that I do in my Stack Profits Mastery program. This is a core part of my strategy that focuses on growing small accounts. If you would like to learn more about how to trade butterflies, how to position them, what time frames to use, and how to use an optimal risk to reward, come and join me in the Stack Profits Mastery program. You can learn more at www.simplertrading.com/profits. Look forward to seeing you there.